guys, it's Rian again. Rian, whatever you call me, as long as you know how to search for my YouTube account, it's totally fine. So please subscribe to my channel down below because we have a lot of things to talk about. First off, I just want to say thank you guys for watching my first vlog. I also want to give credits to my profs, to my friends who keeps on supporting me, and for those people who saw my video on YouTube and on RT groups. I swear guys, when I started reading random comments, my reaction is like, how could this happen to me? Diba? What did I do to deserve all of you? Before I did my video, sabi ko talaga, sana ako yung makapag-inspire ng other people, although hindi pa naman ako super galing. Pero diba, this quarantine, we all need a friend to talk to. So ayun, ako talaga yung na-inspire. So this is a two-part video, guys. The first one is the time-lapse video of this plate. It is already posted before in dlsu-d because they asked me to do it, and I am very grateful. I re-edit it because of the music, because it will be copyright. Then the next part is the tips in rendering, like my tips as a first year student. So if you guys have other ways to do it, go lang. But if you trust me enough, you can listen.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never